Our webinar today is entitled Define Your Enterprise Mobile Strategy Before Your Users Do. This webinar will review key aspects to building your enterprise mobile strategy and offer choices to build out your mobile application portfolio. My name is Alan Mendel, Vice President of LeverX. I will be our webinar moderator today and one of our speakers. Before I turn the time over to our presenters, let me introduce you to LeverX. LeverX is an SAP Services Partner, an SAP Business Object Solution Partner, and an associate member of the PLM Alliance. LeverX assists companies to increase business value by leveraging existing investments in SAP solutions. LeverX delivers strategic, functional, and technical services in the area of SAP Product Lifecycle Management, Portfolio and Project Management, Mobility, and related solutions. LeverX offers services for process and business and strategic consulting, solution architecture services, implementation planning and execution, custom development services, application support services, and near and offshore services. In addition, LeverX provides services for SAP mobile applications development, SAP NetWeaver workflow development, BI, and business objects. We are pleased to introduce our presenters today. In addition to myself, we will have Arthur Lozinski, Product Manager of LeverX, and Bomo Koko, one of our principal consultants at LeverX. Our webinar will proceed as outlined. First, we will discuss mobile market growth within the enterprise. We'll then discuss implementing enterprise-grade mobile applications, and then end with assessing and defining your enterprise mobile application strategy. So with that, we will change our presentation. So first we're going to talk about some trends. First we'll talk about application growth, demographics, and drivers, and we'll give some examples of LeverX and SAP mobile application development. First, we certainly know that mobile applications are moving from consumer orientation to the enterprise. If we look at the enterprise-grade mobile strategy, major trends for last year, we saw that there was a considerable amount of interest in mobile application development. In fact, it was selected as the top priority for IT spending over the next 12 months. It was also, there are a number of key trends that are going on in the market. Certainly enterprise mobility is a global phenomenon. Organizations from around the world see this as being a real advantage to their employees and to their business. We're hearing terms such as real-time enterprise, enterprise-grade mobile applications with the objective to deliver secure, anytime access to up-to-date business information. If we look at some of the best-in-class organizations, the large majority of them all have programs for enterprise-grade mobile application development. They certainly see mobile software development as evolving from shrinking existing desktop applications to fit on the smaller mobile screens to providing users with real-time process access, communication, and what is termed actionable on-demand business content. Over half of the best-in-class organizations are developing in-house enterprise-grade mobile applications, and the motivations include workforce productivity, operational efficiency, and accelerating decision-making. And I'd like to talk a little about each of those a little bit further. With regards to productivity, if we look at some of the trends, the average mobile worker works 240 hours a year longer than general workforce. Now, 75% of mobile workers work more hours due to the flexibility in their schedules. They refer to this as work shifting, and 55% of which are working 10 or more hours each week. Mobile workers are working before, during, and after their commutes, despite 64% reporting a better life balance due to the ability to work through mobile applications. Many mobile workers continue to work after reaching their homes, and mobile workers are shifting periods, work periods and locations. For instance, 87% are working home daily, 88% are working on the road, and 77% outside through Wi-Fi connections. Workers also report more productivity and efficiency and the ability to personally adjust the work schedule without significant impact. The next one, efficiency, looks at driving redesigned applications to provide mobile workers with real-time on-demand access. For instance, the ability to receive notifications through business dashboards in real time, not having to wait until you get back to the office or get to the hotel and be able to then log in and see where things are going. Business analytics and actionable business content, this is the concept of on-demand, being able to, when you do hear a notification or you look at a dashboard and something looks like the trend is going in the wrong direction, you can immediately drill down and make some decisions based on the information that you can access. The next item is seamless integration with business back-end systems. Of course, a mobile application unto itself without access to the business back-end systems and information would not be very useful. So it's very important for your mobile applications to be able to access your business back-end systems, but be able to do that also in a way that makes sense for a mobile user. Incorporating workflow to extending that to mobile users so that they can be incorporated. And many times we all know that as we're more and more mobile these days and we need to get certain approvals or get input from different individuals, waiting till they get back to the office or waiting in order for them to log in and connect may sometimes be not quick enough for us to get the decisions made that we need to. And lastly, business information search and access wherever you are. The next idea is the decision-making process. This is the concept of empowering the workforce. I'm sure we've all heard this many times, providing timely access to the right data, allowing your workforce and educating them to interpret the information as well as authorize them to act. We certainly are looking at getting more access to executives and stakeholders in real time. These individuals are typically traveling very heavily throughout the year, and it certainly encourages cross-functional teams to interact. There's also a trend that the stack is growing. It's not just laptops, but also tablets and smartphones. And then what's interesting is a lot of organizations or a lot of individuals talk about, well, you know, the mobile workforce, that's really for the younger workers. But if we look at the statistics, that's actually does not bear true. The average mobile worker used 2.68 mobile devices for work. Those 44 and under, it was 2.7 mobile devices, and for 55 and older, it was 2.38. So not a real significant difference. Smartphone was selected as one single device of choice that they would like to have with them. That was a little bit down from 63% in 2010. A lot more use of tablets. Certainly looking at the device of choice for many mobile workers. And we expect to see a lot more tablet owners moving forward. Also, there's significant impact when we talk about mobile application and your mobile strategy on your IT infrastructure and define the need to define mobile guidelines, policies, access. Do you bring your own device? There are a lot of other aspects in the mobility area, and Boma will address that as we get to his presentation.